From the moment you're born, you're taught how to speak, not how to think, not how to see, how to speak. And in learning to speak, you begin to inherit a worldview, a way of framing reality that isn't your own. Every word you use carries assumptions. You don't say, "It is raining." You say, "I am sad," as if emotions were weather. You don't say, "I feel anger rising in me." You say, "I am angry," as if anger is you. Do you see the trap? Language isn't neutral. It frames your reality. In George Orwell's 1984, Newspeak was a stripped-down version of English designed to limit thought itself. Fewer words, fewer thoughts, less rebellion. Control the language, and you control the mind. Today, it's not dictators, but algorithms, politicians, and marketing experts who use language to bend your perception. They don't tell you what to think. They just control the words you're allowed to use. But language isn't just a cage. It's also a wand. In the beginning, there was the word. That's not just religious metaphor. It's a metaphysical truth. What you name becomes real. Before a tree was called tree, it was just an organism. Before depression had a label, it was just a feeling. Once a thing is named, it gains weight. It enters the realm of thought, of identity, of existence. Philosopher Ludwig Wittgenstein once said, "The limits of my language mean the limits of my world. If you don't have a word for it, it doesn't exist. For you." That's why ancient mystics guarded secret names. They believed knowing the true name of something gave you power over it. Today, that idea lives on in legal terms, brand identities, and psychological diagnoses. What you call yourself, what others call you, it shapes how you exist.
Here's where it gets wild. The word spell doesn't just mean magic. It also means to spell out a word. Coincidence? Maybe, but listen. To spell is to bind meaning through letters. To write is to cast symbols. To speak is to vibrate the air, and those vibrations alter states of mind, yours and others. In ancient Egypt, the god Thoth was both the inventor of language and the god of magic. Words weren't just sacred, they were sorcery. Even in modern times, hypnotists, advertisers, and influencers know this. They repeat phrases, use specific tonal patterns, and evoke emotional keywords that bypass logic and strike the subconscious. Why do you think slogans are so short? Catchy? Rhythmic? Because they're spells. Just do it. I'm loving it. Make America great again. These aren't just slogans. They're enchantments. You chant them. You believe them. You obey them. So now what? If language can control you, can you learn to control it? Yes. But first, you have to unlearn the spells you didn't know were cast on you. Start by questioning definitions. Who told you what success means? Who told you what's normal? What's ugly? What's crazy? Start using your own words. Invent metaphors. Speak in ways that feel real, not rehearsed. Don't just say, "I'm anxious." Say, "My mind is storming with uncertainty." That small shift reframes the experience. You regain authorship. Also, listen more closely. Notice how politicians speak in abstractions, how media uses emotionally charged words to seduce or scare you, how we casually say things like "kill time" or "grind through the week" as if life is something to destroy or endure. Choose your words like you're writing spells, because you are. Here's the truth. You are the magician. Your voice is the wand. Your words are the incantations. Every sentence you speak either frees you or binds you. So speak carefully, speak consciously, speak with intention, because the world you live in is made of the words you believe in.
If this made you pause, if you're drawn to deeper truths and quiet strength, then you're in the right place. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next one.